Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to open an account, a trading account with Exness. And first thing you want to do is you go to your whatever browser you're using and you click on, just type in your URL to be www.exness.com, as you can see on my screen. So once it brings you to this login page, to this home page, just click on, you can click on either register or try free demo. Whichever one you click on is going to take you to the exact same page. So click on, I clicked on try free demo, and we are in, guys. So as you can see right here, so it brings you to this page. Once you are in this page, click on country, choose your country, you can type it in. So once you choose your country, you type in your email address. Once you've typed in your email address, you put in your password. Now this password will just be any password you want, any password you like, just create a password. And once you create the password, make sure everything here is ticked green. If everything is ticked green, then you are good to go. So once you do that, you make sure this is ticked. This I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. That is if you are not a US citizen. So that is when you click that. So I'm not a US citizen yet, so that's why I'm clicking that. So continue, you click on continue. Alright, so once that is done, it will bring you to this page. So once you get to this page, what you have to do next is to just choose if you want to be opening a real account with them or you want to be opening a demo account. So that's just what you do next. So I'll be opening a demo account in this video, so I click on demo account and it should bring you to this page, guys. So once it brings you to this page, your account is set, but there are still some other things you need to do. So click on, you see this section here where you see 10,000 USD, click on it and it should open up this interface for you. Just click on this bottom section here that says manage account, click on that and it should bring you to this page, guys. So once it brings you to this page, your account is, you can see your account is good. You have a real account here in MT5 already, which you can fund and use to start your trading if you want to trade with an MT5. If you want to use an MT5 account. So but remember, it was a demo account we opened. So this is that demo account that was created. You see the amount there is 10,000 USD, but as you can also see, it's in MT5. Now if you will not be trading with the MT5 platform, then I would suggest you go open another account, which is this. Just click on open new account. When you click on open new account, it should take you through the process of opening another account with an MT4. So I would just be taking you through that now. So click on open new account and it brings you to this page, guys. So once you are on this page, you see the section here where you see MT5, you click on it and just choose MT4. Once you choose MT4, you see the different account types they have. They have a standard basic account with minimum initial deposit of $1 and spread of 0.2, no commissions. You see the professional account, minimum deposit is $500, spread is 0.1 and there's also no commission. Then they have the raw spread with a minimum deposit of $500 as well. And you can see there are just many different types of accounts that they offer on the MT4 platform. So you can just go ahead and choose whatever account type you would like to open, but I would be opening a standard basic account. So all you need to do is just click on continue, and once you click on continue, remember it's a demo account we are opening, so click on demo and your max leverage, you can set it to whatever you want to set it to. but I like to set my leverage to 1:200. And starting balance, you can edit your starting balance to be any amount you want it to be. So let's say $100. Then yes, account nickname standard. Then just create a password for this account. And once you've created, you've put in your password, just click on create an account, and voila, your account is open already and is ready to be used. So as you can see, this is your account you just opened right here, MT4, an MT4 account with $100 in the account balance. And just for an added information, to log this in on your MT4 platform, what you do is just click on these three dots here, and it should take you to this. It should bring out these options. Just click on account information, and it should bring out your account information. All you need here is your server details. Just copy the server details, go to your MT4 and paste that there. Copy your MT4 login details as well and go and paste it there, and then type in your password on your MT4, and your account should be ready to go. Okay guys, so that is how to open with Exness, and hopefully this has been helpful for you, and you have been able to open your account with Exness. Do make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to as many people out there that also need this help. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and also make sure to turn on the notifications, because we do a lot of videos on our channel here. We do analysis, we do forex education, and a whole lot. So you are really going to be gaining a whole lot from joining our channel. So make sure you turn on your notifications so that every video we release, you're going to be notified that we'll release a new and updated video. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.